Hello my fibers! Today I'm going to show you how to make a turtleneck sweater. The fabric you're using today is an incredibly stretchy material that resembles a sweater. There doesn't seem to be a right or wrong side, so just lay it down in the direction you want the stripes to go and begin by tracing your patterns. Remember to separate the two back halves so you can attach a zipper later on. If you find it hard to remember to do this, you can always cut the template in half so you don't have to worry about it. Just remember to attach the two halves when you want to make something that doesn't close in the back. Now cut them out, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. We'll begin by hemming the bottom of the sleeve using a straight stitch. Now repeat for the other side. The back half, hem down the middle and along the bottom. You may find it easier to hold it in place with a straight pin. When you reach the corner, stop sewing in advance, fold down the corner, resume sewing, and then turn. This results in a clean corner without any frayed edges. Now repeat for the other side. For the front, hem along the bottom edge. For the turtleneck, hem up one side, along the top, down the other side, but leave the bottom edge unsewn. To begin assembly, we're going to take the two back halves, the front, and hem them together at the shoulder seam. Next, take the turtleneck and line up the raw edges, with the turtleneck's right side facing the wrong side of the shirt. Now fold the turtleneck in half and attach the zipper from the top down along the bottom. This step is actually optional. If you'd rather attach the zipper at the base of the collar, that'll work fine too, leaving the turtleneck open in the back, or you can leave it to be attached with a snap instead. When you get to the bottom, loop several strands around the base of the zipper to create a new stopping point. Then repeat for the other side. Cut off the excess at the base of the zipper, as well as the 2 tabs at the top. Now we'll attach the sleeves, lining them up at the corner points and sewing along the edge. Repeat for the other side. Now fold this shirt in half and then hem along the side and the bottom of the sleeve. Repeat for the other side. Now turn the shirt inside out. And you're done! Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and like my creations, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this. Until next time, my fibers.